Hello everyone, this is Rizana Vusal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about PTE listening section. I'll be explaining about summarized spoken text today, which is the first task of the PTE listening section. In exam, you will get 2 to 3 summarized spoken text. In this talks, you will hear an audio lecture which will go for around 60 to 90 seconds. While the audio is going on, you have to take as many notes as you can. Once the audio stops, you will need to write down the summary of the lecture in 50 to 70 words. Do not write less than 50 or more than 70 words. You will get 10 minutes for each summarized spoken text. Although you finish the task in 4 to 6 minutes, you will not be able to get that remaining time add up in other section, which means no rollover time. Therefore, I suggest you to utilize whole 10 minutes. What you can do is, you can spend 6 to 7 minutes for writing and 3 to 4 minutes for proofreading. Summarized spoken text is one of the important tasks of PTE listening section because one summarized spoken text is of 10 marks. So if you get 3 summarized spoken text, it will be of 30 marks. And it contributes to both listening as well as writing section. The total marks of the summarized spoken text is obtained from content, length, grammar, vocabulary, and spelling. Content is the first thing computer check in summarized spoken text. If you get 0 in content, computer will not mark any other things. You have to take 10 to 12 keywords such as nouns, proper nouns, verbs, and words that repeats again and again. After you get points from content, the second one is length of the sentence. You have to write between 50 to 70 words. If you write less than 50 and more than 70, you will get 1 point. And if you write less than 40 and more than 100, you will get 0 points. The third one is grammar. If you make no grammatical errors, you will get 2 points. If you make few minor errors, you will get 1 point. And if you get more than one major error, you will get 0 points. Therefore, to get full marks in grammar, you have to use the same tense throughout the summary. If you are using present tense, you have to use the present tense throughout the summary, and if you are using past tense, you have to do the same. The fourth one is vocabulary. To obtain full marks in this, you have to use academic words, you have to use formal words, and you cannot use short forms and contraction. Short forms such as PR for permanent residency is not allowed, and contractions such as don't, isn't, can't is not allowed. You have to write do not, is not, and cannot. Last but not least, spelling. If you make no spelling errors, you will get 2 marks. If you get 1 spelling error, you will get 1 marks, and if you get more than 1 spelling error, you will get 0 marks. So, use those words which you know the spelling. Try to pick the keywords that you know, otherwise you may make a spelling error. And always check 2 to 3 times before you submit. I hope this video was useful for you. If you want to know more about PTE and NAATI, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye for now.